Justice Secretary Leila De Lima prepares to meet with witnesses in an alleged Makati corruption scam during the term of Vice President Jejomar Binay as the city's mayor. AC Nicholls is in Manila for that report. Go ahead, AC.
Yes, Hillary, it's official. The Department of Justice and the National Bureau of Investigation will start its own probe into the alleged Makati parking building scam. Justice Secretary Leila De Lima says she will meet with whistleblowers on the alleged overpricing of the Makati parking building tomorrow. Whistleblowers, namely former Makati Vice Mayor Ernesto Mercado, Attorney Renato Bondal, and former Barangay Chairman Nicholls, were admitted into the DOJ's Witness Protection Program last month, about 2 weeks after exposing the alleged scam. The NBI is also currently tracking down two longtime trusted aides of Vice President Jejomar Binay who have not been appearing in a Senate inquiry into the matter. While the department is closely monitoring the Senate inquiry into the alleged parking building scam, De Lima decided to start looking into the matter rather than wait for a recommendation from the Senate. The DOJ's initial probe will focus on following up the claims of the whistleblowers and checking whether they have documents to support their allegations. De Lima rejected claims by the Binay camp that the department's interest into the alleged scam proves her bias against rivals of the ruling Liberal Party. She said the Justice Department is merely performing its mandate. Earlier, De Lima said the whistleblowers were hard to ignore, considering that they have personal knowledge on the alleged scam. The Vice President, meantime, said he will be cooperating with the DOJ in its investigation into the issues being thrown against him. Hillary?
All right, thanks, AC. That's AC Nicholls reporting from Manila.